Welcome back to Cricket Q&A YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss the possibilities of the ongoing test match between England and New Zealand at Lord's. So when we see it yesterday, the win therefore was called off. New Zealand was 65 for the loss of 2 wickets, and the night watchman means Neil Wagner was on screech along with Tom Latham. And when we see what are the possibilities left with this match, then most fans are saying that there is a lot of chances of draw. But when we see with respect to England point of view, how can England win this test match, then we if we see the past of England cricket in recent 3 to 4 years, the spells which Stuart Broad or Jimmy Anderson has produced, taking 5 to 6 wickets in a small interval of time, can become a big factor in comeback of England in this test match. But there is a most possibility of draw than England winning this test match. And when we see on the other side with respect to New Zealand were in the commanding position when day 2 was called off, but due to the rain on day 3, England put a command on day 4 a little bit. But I think still there is a far more chances of New Zealand winning this test match with respect to England, because New Zealand was 65 for the loss of 2 wickets at the stumps, and today they will be have a plan. They will be sit on a table and have a planning that they require hundreds to 100 to 150 run more to command in this test match. Then they will declare this test innings and will come to ball. At least New Zealand captain Kane Williamson know that if he want to bowl out New Zealand to if we want New Zealand to take 10 wickets and win this test match, and Kane Williamson know that they want at least 60 to 70 overs, so that the New Zealand pacers can get these type of overs. And thus this is the, don't forget, this is the 5th day pitch, and 5th day pitch where the Mitchell Santner is also that effective with respect to the New Zealand pacers. So the match is stand in the 50-50 category. But if you will ask that what are the most possibilities of draw or New Zealand winning or England winning, then I would prefer that the match is 70% in the terms of draw, then New Zealand in 25%, and England with little bit of 5% I will give, because England can only win in only one situation, where one of the two main fast bowlers, main pacers, either Stuart Broad or Jimmy Anderson, one of them will produce a remarkable spell of 5 to 6 wickets, where they will take in a small interval of time, or New Zealand collapses in first 1 hour or 1.5 hours, where England will get a target of around 200 250 around something, and New Zealand and England can get them throughout, because don't forget England are playing on their home turf, and all their batsmen know this yard, how to bat on day 5 or the last day of a test match or a list day game. So I think that England have a little bit of chance. But when we think about New Zealand want to win this test match, because with respect, when we compare New Zealand winning this test match with the World Test Championship final coming up in later half of this month, then New Zealand want that momentum to be carried forward in the second test match. Along with, they want this momentum to be there with them in World Test Championship final against India. So I share the possibilities. What can be the factor? How can all the three possibilities can be a main factor in last day, where 98 overs will be bowled out, but it will all eyes will be more on New Zealand than when we compare to England. So I think New Zealand have a greater chance of winning this test match behalf of scoring 100 or 150 runs in first session at least, and then putting England to bat and bowled out at least 70 to 60 to 70 overs, so that New Zealand pacers get a chance, or Mitchell Santner as a spinner, left arm spinner, can get a chance to produce that type of spell, where New Zealand in a command of winning this test match. So this all here from Cricket Q&A. If you are new to a channel, looking first time my video, then subscribe my channel Cricket Q&A, alongside like my videos, and then we will talk about the World Test Championship final, the England and India and New Zealand, what are the happenings going around. तब तक शुक्रिया.